On this episode of Identifying Crater Landforms, we're going to show a remarkable surface expression that I first saw in a book called Impact Geology, where the guy showed pictures, these airplane pictures of hills that had dune shapes. And so that, was left as that surface from some extraordinary event. So here we have quite a hill, and it drops off in these series of moguls and divots, which is very unusual because the other side of the hill, the side facing outward from the crater center, just does regular hill slope. But the backwashing sea, when these giant meteors hit, comes back in from the outside towards the center, goes over these irregular shapes in the crater, because these craters are not smooth bowls like a nuclear explosion that makes a small smooth bowl from heat. These are ripped surfaces, and they have irregular patterns inside the crater. So the water crests over the hill and then comes down through here, rushing, splashing, digging out these surfaces, and you can see the slope compared to the level here. And the strata goes from Mississippian at the top all the way through the Devonian here, down to the Silurian and into the Ordovician in such a short distance. Additionally, of course, these rocks that people don't really take seriously, like this one here, this is an impactite. It has sand in it and iron in it. That's a shock-made geode inside of it. This was instantaneously made, not a long deposit process. It has a lot of the metals from the meteor in it. So that's it on today's episode of Identifying Crater Landforms.